Saseni?
Kwa.
Saseni?
Kwa.
Wauliza maswali? Yes.
Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Yes.
Of course. Yes.
What do you love most in this world?
The Most High God.
What do you love most in this world?
The Most High God.
The Most High God?
Yes.
Now, it's a lesson I want to learn from you. Do you know about the Word of God?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Who was mother of Jesus?
The mother of Jesus, it was Sarah. Rachel.
You?
The mother of Jesus was Elizabeth.
Wow. What of you? Okay.
Zachariah. Angel.
Angels. Okay.
No, let me answer that question.
Ebu come up again. Who was mother of Jesus?
The mother of Jesus was Mary.
Yes, clap for her. The mother of Jesus automatically was Mary.
Yes.
Another question. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Now, who killed Goliath?
Me.
You over there? You Karen?
It is Joshua.
Joshua?
Yes.
And you?
Jesus.
Jesus. Oh, Jesus. And you?
Caleb.
Caleb. What of you?
I will answer.
Answer.
Me.
Oh,
Victor.
oh, you killed Goliath. You killed Goliath. Okay, who killed Goliath? Clap for him. Hey, clap for him. Clap for him. Aha. That one now I can see you are making it better. Hiyo mnafanya poa. Now, do you know the 10 commandments?
Yes.
The 10 commandments.
Yes.
Which is the greatest commandment and two other commandments?
You shall kill anybody.
You shall kill anybody. And you?
Everyone, you have right to steal.
Everyone have got right to steal. And you?
Yes.
And you?
Oh,
Hii ni kama ng'ombe ilipelekwa ng'ombe kwa shule. Haya, let me tell you. Sija we. Ujui? Okay, the best and the biggest commandment of all the commandments is to love thy God with all thy heart, with all thy mind, and to act unto his teachings.
Yes.
Clap for me.
No, it's not like that, it's like this.
Yes. Now, pose your kitty.